Hey everyone, my name is Abdul Ahwan from Indonesia and welcome back to my channel. This video is 5 video about JFoenix tutorial series, and today we are going to talk about ComboBox. But before we are going to the tutorial, I'm very grateful if you want to click the subscribe button to make this channel growing up. Okay, thank you so much and let's get started with my tutorial. Okay, first of all I want to say sorry for my English is not good, so if the words I use are incorrect, please help me to point out. Today, we are going to talk about special topics. What is that? Today we are going to talk about JFoenix ComboBox. But before we are going to the main topic of this video, let us see what is the definition of ComboBox. I open my browser and I find this article. A combo box is a typical element of a user interface that enables users to choose one of several options. A combo box is helpful when the number of items to show exceeds some limit, because it can add scrolling to the drop-down list, unlike a choice box. If the number of items does not exceed a certain limit, developer can decide whether a combo box or a choice box better suit their needs. Okay, in this section I use IntelliJ IDEA. First, create new project. Select JavaFX and JavaFX application. Don't forget to give your project name. Okay, our project has been created. Don't forget to add JFoenix library to your project. If you don't know how to add library on your JavaFX application, you can watch my first video, link on my video description. Okay, this is our project. In this project, we have 3 files, main.java, controller.java, and sample.fxml. First, I want to open sample.fxml on Scene Builder. Just right click and open in Scene Builder. Make sure you have installed JFoenix on your Scene Builder. If you don't know how to install Scene Builder on your project, you can watch my first video, link on my video description. I don't need grid pane, I need anchor pane. Make it larger. Okay, today we are going to focus on JFXComboBox. Here. And we want to compare with default ComboBox. Okay. Just preview. This is default ComboBox on JavaFX application, and this is JFoenix ComboBox. We can see on the JFoenix documentation. Here we can see we can set prompt text. We can set prompt text on the right side. Just add some text. Maybe Java version, and just save. Preview. Okay. No option. The next step is we are going to sample.fxml and add FX controller. Sample.controller and go to the controller.java and implement initial label. Okay, don't forget to call FXML. JFXComboBox. Like this. And I want to give name ComboBox. Okay. Don't forget to add FX ID on the scene builder. Yes, ComboBox. Save. The next step is we want to add option on the ComboBox. Look like this. ComboBox dot get item dot add JavaFX ComboBox Java 9 and I'm sorry, and the last Java 10. Try to compile. Yeah, now we have three options. When we click on the Java version, we can see Java 8, Java 9, or Java 10. Okay, just stop and let us implement other what we can. Okay, here we can see the styling, focus color, unfocus color. Go to the scene builder and on the right side we can see focus color. We can change as we want. I want to make it lighter blue, and the unfocused color I want to change to yellow. Okay, save and compile. Okay, and now focus color change to the blue, lighter blue, and unfocused color change to the yellow. We don't focus on the default ComboBox. We just focus on JFXComboBox. Okay. How about you? Beautiful, amazing, or clean? The next we can style JFX label float. Okay, just go to the scene builder and go to the right side and here JFX label float and make it true. Save and try to compile again. Yeah, when we focus on the combo box, look like this. Whoa, amazing. Whoa, Java 9, Java 10, and other. Okay, we can change to the label. But here, I'm sorry. Okay, and here we add new label. Nine and 10. Okay, try to compile again. Oh, I'm sorry. I think there is a wrong code. Okay, look like this. I'm sorry for the error. Java 9, Java 10. Okay. My conclusion on the JFX combo box, we can see a modern combo box, and we can see the float animation, and we can change this focus color and focus color. I think on JFX combo box, it's more beautiful, it's more elegant, and it's more modern. Okay, I think enough tutorial in this time. If you have any question or comment, write it down on the comment field. Thank you so much, and see you again on the next video.